sakit na ng paa ko. Sila nung going. Oy, there, careful. Okay. Tama naman tayo. So, kung makakalimutan, paglabas, turn left.
Wow.
Where to get the cart? Uy, mura lang ng bread, oh. Ano to? 119, 290. Ginger tea. 400. Ito yung panlinis. Ang tagal. Ikaw na naman ako. Wala yun ang iniikot ko. Grabe. Ano lang nakita ko yung H&M and this Innisfree. May gulay. I'm very tired. I'm supposed to be go back dun sa likod. Pero dito natin. Siguro lumagpas ako ng turning. Mali. Sobrang mali. Pero naalala ko dun ako. Umigot. I think. Ayun kasi ito lang dapat yung mark. Tapos doon sa taba. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako lumito. Ay. Sobra. Layo ko tuloy. Miss na nakauwi na. I'm still here. Ayan. Ayan kasi over. Ako mamili. Ewan ko. Ilang kilos to. Paano ko siya hahatiin? Let's see. Here. Tayo. Hello guys. I got midnight snack, iced tea. This is from Jinhua. Fried chicken, super sarap. Grabe. Kanina mainit to, ngayon medyo malamig na. Kaya, pero still masarap. And this squid, super sarap. Super sarap. So, pipilitin ko itong ubusin. Malasa siya. Hindi siya malansa. Ito yan. Binili ko from Mr. Donna. Ang daming crazy dito. I think I have 2 options or 3. I got 3. Dito Hershey. Ito I think strawberry. And the other one, not sure what this is. Ay, titikman siya. Ta. Iba ang Mr. Donut dito. Sa atin, naman ka. Meron ba tayo nito? Ang sarap. May naman sa loob. Meron sa loob. Yes. Not too sweet. Masarap. Lahat masarap. At I think this cost about 59 times 2. Masarap. Malubusin ko na lang itong squid. Itong matamis. Midnight na. Hindi tayo pwede. Pero hindi, masarap eh. Hindi tayo pwede masyadong pakabusog. Meron pa ako dito iced tea. Kunti na lang. Busin ko na lang. Meron pa pala akong Sprite. Okay. Bye. I have my partner's items. I have here. What's this? Crying again. And I have the Cozy Life chair bear. And last, I have my Mickey family. Let's unbox. These are the items that we want to get. I want this or any of this. So, tama ba? Yeah, ito na. What is this? This is a book. I got the docu. The docu. Yes. I'll bring you docu. Let me open this. And this bear, it's a chair bear. Ano ba gusto ko? I want these, these, or these. And I got this. Yellow again. The plum shine bear. Ano ba yan? Ano yellow? And the last, the Mickey family. It's a Mickey. It's a Mickey Donald. Oh, ang gusto ko sana any of this. This. Oh, okay. That's fine. Tingnan natin. We can make it. Sabi ko pa dyan. Okay. Ay, very small. Wala akong malaki siya. It's so tiny. I'm gonna put these on my new bags. Donald Duck. Is it Donald Duck? Yeah, it's Donald Duck. I got this.